Oh, hi there. I'm Jessica Antony. I am a communications pro, and I'm all about workshops that actually hit home. Because here's the thing, you could register your staff for a workshop that offers them canned tips and unnecessarily complicated systems for increasing productivity and reducing stress. But if they can't connect what they learned to their own understanding of their place at work, this is ultimately just going to boil down to an exercise in box checking. And let's be honest, the nature of work is changing. People want to feel empowered in the work that they do. So that means the ways that we understand how to be more engaged at work need to change too. So when it comes to communication, personal management, working remotely, I'm here to guide conversations with your team that tap into self-awareness and align with today's workplace, not the dusty corporate culture of the past. So get in touch and let's talk about workshops that will actually resonate with your team.